Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and this is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to share with you the things that I will be taking with me when my husband and I go to our lake cabin. I say ours, it's one we've rented for a few days. It's getting really close and I'm really excited. By the time this video actually goes up, we'll be home already, but want to share what I'm going to take. And my husband's going to be so proud of me. I'm going to start working on an altered book. So, of course, I have my book. And yes, I've already started tearing a few of the pages. So, I'll be taking a pair of scissors, a tear ruler, a straight edge ruler. I'm going to be taking my art glitter glue and a glue stick. I'll be taking my vintage photo distress ink and a rewards card so I can burnish down the pages that I'm gluing. Okay. So those are really all of the tools I'll be taking. Then I've got some book pages. It has some old newspaper in it. There's some shorthand paper, just basically text papers. I will also be taking a folder that has music pages in it. That way, when I'm collaging the pages, I'll have that. I am taking a little bit of backing paper so that should I get to a point where I want to start using some of the book pages that I've torn out to make journal cards and stuff, I'll have it. I don't know that I will get that far. But then what I really wanted to share was this. I got some paper from Lorna Taylor at TaylorMadeJournals. And I absolutely love it. It's called Antique Grungy Wallpaper. And she has some other ones like, I believe one's called Antique Shabby Chic or something like that. But in total, she's got like 11 sets of this stuff. And it is absolutely fabulous for collaging, for backgrounds, for some of it for journal pages. And I want to flip through and show you some of these. I'm not going to show you everything because like this is number 2. And there are 36 pages that come with it. But I want to show you just a little bit of what you get. They are just fabulous in all colors, all designs. This one actually looks like a tapestry. And I don't remember what the description said, but I believe it said in the description from the 1700s to 1700s and 1800s. A couple of them have edges on them, and I saw like a 1902. So, but they are just, there's another one that looks like tapestry. Let me flip those over. And like I said, I'm not going to flip through every page, but I just want to give you an idea of what you can get. And like I said, I'm still on the first set that I was showing you. So, and each set has a huge, huge, huge variety of papers in it. And I have a couple of sets here. That one to me also, it's very textured at the very least, but looks as though it may have been fabric, but it certainly has sort of a fabric-y look to it printed on paper. So anyway, this is what I'll be using in my altered book, and I'm just going to, that'd be beautiful for fall. I'm just going to pick some that I like, but I'm going to, isn't that pretty? I'm going to change it up. I'm going to allow my book to be eclectic so that, you know, if I use this page with pink and blues and greens, I don't have to use pink and blues and greens throughout the book. If it's on a 2-page spread, obviously for that spread, I would want to use that color scheme. But then when you flip the page, you may have purple and brown. So each spread will kind of be a standalone. But anyway, so I'm going to link TaylorMadeJournals Etsy shop below, because I know I've seen several people that don't have access to. Getting actual wallpaper can be tough at times. And she has a magnificent selection of these old wallpapers. So you can just print them out. And like on mine, I just printed mine on copy paper. I did not do borderless printing, but you certainly could. So anyway, that's it for now. I just wanted to show you what I was planning to take, and I wanted to share these TaylorMadeJournals wallpapers with you. So until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.